Hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Directx error in Black Ops 6. So first things first, as you can see here in Black Ops, you just need to come here. You need to right click the game, like right here. Then go manage, then go to files. Then after here, you can verify and repair. So if you click this, it will automatically scan the game, and the game is gonna get, it's gonna get repaired, and you can finally play the game. After that, you click that option right there. And yeah, guys, that's the tutorial there. If you're not using Xbox, you can do that in Steam also. There's a way for you to do that in Steam and Epic Games. And yeah, guys, that's my tutorial for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe. I forgot. Bye bye.
Hardpoint lockdown. These guys